Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer Conga 1090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer Conga 1090 dies within just 10 minutes of being off the charger, you're likely dealing with a failing battery. This usually happens due to battery wear over time, which can lead to diminished performance and potential data loss if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this issue could leave you without a functioning device when you need it most. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new battery compatible with the Acer Conga 1090. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of your Acer Conga 1090. Take your time with this, as rushing can damage the clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery, which is typically situated near the center of the device. You may see some screws securing the battery in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these. Remember to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them for the new battery. Carefully disconnect the battery cable by gently pulling it from its socket. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and connect it to the same socket, ensuring it fits snugly. Once connected, secure the new battery in place with the screws you previously removed. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Power on your Acer Conga 1090 to verify that the new battery is functioning correctly and that it no longer dies unexpectedly. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider regularly calibrating your battery by allowing it to completely drain and then fully charging it. Also, try to avoid exposing the device to extreme temperatures, which can affect battery health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.